So it talks about a trend in how libraries were owned in Rome's Republican period
By whom?
by the wealthy individuals, and they did not really give access to the public.
Perfect. And
And
now?
then something different happened. The trend changed, and the first it gives an example of the first somewhat public library, and then a scholar makes a claim that both these trends are not really different.
Perfect. Both friends are same. So in older times, the libraries were owned by wealthy peoples, and even now the libraries are owned by wealthy peoples, right?
Hmm.
Let's look at the answer choices now. C.
Yeah.
C is the correct choice, Mama. Well done. Any confusion now?
Um, you said that the similarity is that it's still owned by wealthy people, right?
Exactly.
So, to contend that early imperial leaders in Rome wielded too much influence over library.
Yeah.
Because then, हाँ तो ये वो तो नहीं है.
Exactly. It's just talking about the previous time period, not the current time period. But C में क्या बात हो रही है? Current time period की भी बात हो रही है और every public library nowadays, public like private and early public libraries in ancient Rome have certain similarity.
Okay. तो
Okay.
ये थोड़ा वेग नहीं है, मतलब ये सिर्फ लास्ट पार्ट की बात नहीं कर रहे.
Okay, but you have to see कि, among all the answer choices, what is the best one? Like, are you confused about any other option? Like, could any other option be correct in this one?
No. Then
Okay. So
C
by the
makes sense.
by the process of elimination, we are just left with C. Why? Because A is completely wrong, B is completely wrong, D is completely wrong. A में क्या completely wrong बात है कि to give a brief overview of public access to libraries throughout Roman Republican period.
Hmm.
And B is talking about to the content that early imperial leaders in Rome wielded too much influence over libraries. That is true. But it's not talking about
Hmm.
a shift in the trend कि अब भी वो trend
Hmm.
same ही है.
Hmm. ये
Okay?
पता है. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Got it.